working with undergraduate research trying to capture 3D models of buildings on campus. We combine both photogrammetry and lidar data, which is laser scans, to create more high-definition models of buildings on our campus. We're working to combine these models together in order to create a 3D model of hopefully the entire campus that we can use for virtual tours. We can use it for surveying and for construction purposes and for all sorts of different stuff. So I was pretty interested in the VIP program. It's for computer and electrical engineering, but it's open to all majors. You basically work with a professor and a small group of students, and you can basically just work on research throughout the semester, and you can get credit for it. And it goes throughout like several years. It's not just like a one semester thing. So it's really fun. It's great research.